Good morning, everybody. It's Dovel. I'm here in downtown Toronto, as you can see, and I just got up. Still a little bit on West Coast time. You know, got up around like 9:30 or something when I thought it was 6:30, and just walking over to a staple here in Canada called Tim Hortons to get some coffee and breakfast. Then I'm gonna go try this amazing Indian restaurant I saw on YouTube. But it's very bitterly cold right now, and kind of not used to this after being in Southern California and all that. Personally, I think this cold weather is overrated, but all that being said, you can kind of get a scene of what I'm going through here on a busy Friday morning. Some shots of downtown Toronto there, and yeah, it's a really cool city. It's very cosmopolitan, and just really amazing. A lot of great restaurants. Last night I went to this vegan restaurant called Planta, and it was just really amazing and really filling too. You know, all vegetarian, of course, but it was kind of meaty, if you will, and you just didn't feel you know, bloated after eating it or anything. It was kind of a healthy food, you know, after coming in last night and everything. So but I'm walking over to this is a staple. This is their version, I guess, of Dunkin Donuts, Tim Hortons. And let's see, there's the outside of the shop there. I just need to get some coffee and re-energize and everything. And let's see what we have here. So, right here, the iconic Tim Hortons here in Canada. So, let's see what we have. Whew. Nice and warm in here. And let's take a look. Like known for their breakfast dishes here and everything. So just take a look at what they have.
Doesn't find it appealing. Oh, nice lemon cakes.
Oh, I got a Toronto's Raptors donut. That's really cool. Donuts, drinks. Kind of like a mix between your Starbucks and Dunkin Donuts here, but a real staple here in Canada. And anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and order my coffee, and I will check in with you guys after I get maybe a little bite to eat too. All right, this is Dovel right here in Tim Hortons in downtown Toronto. Okay, so my coffee is ready here. I got it with almond milk and a few shots of sugar, but right here, the iconic Tim Hortons coffee. And we're going to chill out here at the table and enjoy this, but you can kind of see it's kind of a busy morning here, busy Friday morning here at Tim Hortons. So let me take a swig here, let me know what you think here. I'll tell you what I think, I should say. It's really good. It's kind of like Dunkin Donuts, so it's all good. But anyway, this is Dovel checking out here from Tim Hortons in downtown Toronto, and hope you guys like this video. I'll be shooting more as the day progresses. All right, see you guys later.